So today we're going to learn what the converse of a conditional statement is and how to write one. So I have an example here to use. So if the measure of angle B is equal to 98 degrees, then angle B is obtuse. So that's a conditional statement, and remember, a conditional statement has the hypothesis and the conclusion. So to write the converse of a conditional statement, you flip the hypothesis and the conclusion. So you basically reverse. So I'm just going to write it here to explain. So if angle B is obtuse, then the measure of angle B is equal to 98 degrees. So this right here is the converse. So it's essentially just a flip. You flip the hypothesis and the conclusion, and that gives you the converse of a conditional statement. I hope this was helpful. These are just going to be short videos that explain a simple concept. If you like the video, comment, subscribe, and like.